girl and your friends bad too. You got the swag, so she do the swag too. Bad girl and your friends bad too. You got the swag, so she do the swag too.
Let's play a little just between you and me. I'll be out. Gotta use your mind. We can be constant robbers, Tarzan and Jay, Marilyn and Robert. But either way, the objective is the same: to please and entertain. My big son, my better be a stay. We'll get the spotlight all night. Check every time we play. You will be my vixen as we improvise. Delivering a captivating performance every time. Why not be reactive? Pull out all the stops. You can pick the scene if I can pick the props. You love our classroom, my office, masquerade expert on office.
Chrome, shoddy.
Persian rugs, but she's from Nicaragua. Thought you was Persian love. Are we turning up or are we wasting time? Girl, don't waste my time. You know I'm partying. I don't just wanna chill with you. Oh no, I wanna turn up on. I wanna turn you on. I wanna lay with you. That's the least I'ma do. Ooh. Fuck, I look like I don't wanna chill. I can see your eyes, you to feel. How you feel it, baby? Can you feel it, baby? Can you feel it, baby? Can you feel it, baby? Kissing you here, fucking you right, loving you there, loving you right. Fuck with a pro, come baby, fuck with a pro. When you gon' let me know, I've been kissing you slow. Fuck with a pro, come baby, fuck with a pro.
I'm finna stand tall in it, all in it. You be on my back like a cardigan. Taller again, I'm in love with your friend. We be doing that, you hide the evidence. It's evident that you're ready to ride. I'm up in my Jeep and put your back to the side. Go against the game, you must be ready to hide. Swinging on the corner, big my tape feeling by. I thought I was a goner, blaze to your honor. Burn marijuana, deep dive in the sauna. Hotter than the sun, I made it as a lot. Call up baby Prada, she popped it for the dollar. Don't stick around, if she say, you can hit my phone if you need some help. Don't stick around, if she say, you can hit my phone if you need some help. All in it, all in it. You be on my back like a cardigan. Taller again, I'm in love with your friend. We be doing that, you hide the evidence. It's evident that you ready to ride. I'm up in my Jeep and put your back to the side. Go against the game, you must be ready to hide. Swinging on the corner, bag my tape feeling high. I thought I was a goner, blaze to your honor. Burn marijuana, deep dive in the sauna. Hotter than the sun, I made it as a lot. Call up baby Prada, she popped it for the dollar. Don't stick around, she say,
What's up everyone, it's Dom the Tastemaker and welcome back to my channel. Today you guys, I'm doing a review for WestKiss hair, and today you guys, I'm reviewing another pre-styled unit. I have been loving these pre-styled units lately. I love the fact that I don't have to do anything. Like, I literally just take it out of the box, put it on, add a little 1-2 if I want to, and we're pretty much good to go. So because summer is literally right around the corner, I wanted to do a curly bob for you guys, and this one is a brown curly bob, which is a little bit different for me because normally when I do like curly bobs, I normally do like black hair, but today I have this really beautiful brown color, which I love chocolate hair on chocolate girl. I just love how it complements our skin tone. I feel like it was literally made for us, and it's just literally like the cherry on top when you are of a deeper complexion. Like, that chocolate hair is just chef's kiss every single time. So I got this unit from WestKiss, and it is a pre-styled unit. This is a closure unit, you guys. This is not a lace front. This isn't even a 9x6 closure unit. Like, you know, the units that are like, they have a lot of space. I believe that this is a 5x5. I want to say that this is a 5x5 closure unit, and they already put like these braids in it. I'll come up closer so you guys can see. This unit already had these cool braids in the hair already that just kind of goes off to the side, and it does have like rubber bands right here as well. This is what it's looking like, just 2 braids. I thought that was really cool and creative. I haven't seen something like that before. It did come with the pre-made baby hairs as well, so I kind of used that and then just did like a little curl here, a little swoop right there, and a little swoop right here, and just kind of have everything going back. But it is so full, you guys. Oh, and then I also put this hair behind my ear. So instead of having it down like this, I just like literally like, you know, instead of just having it down like regular, I just put the hair behind my ear like that, and then just have it like all pretty and curly. And look how beautiful and full this is, and the curls are just gorgeous. Like, I really like the curl pattern on this unit. I love how full it is, and it's just like, this is with all of the hair in front. Like, it's so full. I absolutely love that about this unit. Now, some people may not want their units as full for the summertime, so you can definitely go down in the density if you want, but I love the fullness of this one because honestly, there's nothing worse than like getting a curly bob and it's like super thin. And this one is just beautiful. And the great thing about it is, like, even if you wanted to, you can actually bleach like a couple of the strands in here and have you like some highlights in it if you wanted to, like switch it up later, like when it gets old. You know, you can definitely do it on either side. So for me, I have my unit on this side. I literally just shifted the unit just a little bit just so that the braids can just be like right here on the side and have a nice like deep part type of thing going on. And this is the heavier side. Now, I'm not sure on the density for this one, but this one got to be like at least 200% density. It is so thick and full. I don't know if it's just because of the curl pattern, because that can definitely have something to do with it, but this is just beautiful. And mind you guys, I styled this unit right out of the box. Like, I did not wash it. I did not have to wash the hair. I didn't have to bleach the knots. I didn't have to pluck the hairline. Like, this is styled right out of the packaging. And I know a lot of times people ask me like, what do you use on your curly units? Like, I didn't use anything on this hair. Like, and look how beautiful it is. Like, I use absolutely nothing but water. The only thing that I have right here, like on my edges, is the Lotta Body foam, which is this foam. So this is the only thing that I have like on this part right here, just to have it slick like behind my ear or whatever. But other than that, like the rest of this is just the natural state of the hair right out of the box. So that's just like bomb to me. This is definitely a glueless unit. You don't have to use any like adhesive sprays like Got2b or anything like that. You don't have to use gel, you don't have to use lace front glue, and it's just like seamless and bomb. Like, just automatically as soon as you put it on, and you guys saw that for yourselves when I first put this unit on. And it has a really great fit to it, which I'm happy about because it doesn't have the adjustable elastic band in the back like most units. This is one of the dome cap wigs or whatever, but it does have the adjustable elastic band that's like at the top, and it fits so secure. And that's what's allowing me to do this glueless install, because a lot of times certain units, because I have a smaller head, they don't fit on me, so it doesn't give the glueless look. Like, I usually always have to like still use something to adhere my unit, but I didn't have to do that today, and I really like the fit of it. It doesn't have like It doesn't have like a bunch of extra like fabric in the back. It's not all loose in the back. And the great thing about it is that it does have a comb in the very back. So you can just hook that comb underneath your braids in the back and you're pretty much good to go. And it's so secure. And here is another up close look at this. Like, this just looks so good. Once again, like, I really like how this unit complements my skin tone, and it looks good with my eyebrows. Like, my eyebrows match it like really well. And even like if the wind blows, like, you don't see the fact that this is the closure, and the tracks stop here and here. So this is how far this, like, you know, right here where this ends, that's how much lace you get. And then if you want to, later on when you're tired of these braids, you can definitely take them out and just have like a regular like curly bob unit. And mind you, this is the closure. This is not a lace front or anything like that. This is just a closure unit. And it's like, once again, look how pretty these curls are. They're so pretty. And I did also put a little bit of concealer in the part for you guys, just to help the part stand out a little bit more, because sometimes when you have like braids, like the braids are like closer together so you can't really see the part. But putting concealer on your lace is just always going to be the way to go. As you guys can see, it just stands out so much more and it just looks better. And I just really love this unit. So I do have this unit in an 18-inch, by the way. And I know some of you guys are probably like, are you sure that's 18 inches? Like, yeah. So basically when they have these units, they go based off of the stretch length. So the stretch length would be however far you can pull the hair down to, that's how they measure it. So here would be an 18-inch, like this is an 18-inch, right? But you know, if you're just looking at it while it's in this regular curly state, you would see this as more like a 14-inch possibly, or maybe not a 12-inch. I would just say like a 14-inch for sure. So it just looks a little bit shorter because of the texture of this unit. If it was like a looser curl, it would be longer, but because it's such a tight curl, it's shorter. Speaking of the curl pattern, this unit is definitely going to be on the higher maintenance side. So this is not one of those units that you can just put on and just not like take care of. A lot of people feel like with curly units you could just throw water on it and go, but when you have something this tight of a curl pattern, you're definitely going to have to make sure that you're detangling it, because quickly it can definitely get like tangled up in the back. Like usually the back of the head is normally like where units get tangled out the most, because it's like rubbing against your neck and you're moving your head around, so the hair tends to get like more tangled in the very back of your units, just in general when it comes to curly units. But a unit like this, as you guys can see, like the curl pattern is really tight, so you're gonna want to make sure that you're on top of the maintenance. All in all, you guys, this is this unit from WestKiss. Once again, this is another up close look at the design for you guys. It's really cute. I like this hairstyle. I thought this was really creative, and I was like, yeah, I would love to try that out. WestKiss has some really cute units. You should definitely check out their websites for other units that they have, their other curly hair units. And I think this is just something cute for a summer, for a vacation, pool party, things like that. If you're just going to the beach with your friends, I think this would be a great unit to wear for the summertime. It's so cute. And you can even, you know, put like some little hair accessories on here to like help, you know, jazz this up a little bit. But yeah, it's so pretty. So shout out to WestKiss for sending over this amazing unit. Shout out to all of you guys for watching, supporting, and liking this video. And I will see all of you beautiful people in the next one. Bye.